Welcome to the infrared of XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now, as can you see, by double press to the power key button, I can only activate the camera application, and now we'll change the app here. For example, we'll go into the settings, we'll scroll down here and tap to the additional settings. After that, click here to the gesture shortcut, and here we got the launch camera section. We'll turn off this option, and now we'll go back here and click here to turn on torch. Now just click to this switcher to double press the power button, and now by double press to power key you can set that we just successfully activate the torch. And just to turn it off, by the same way, twice press the power key button. So that's it. That's how to customize the quick launch on our XIAOMI 12X. By the same way, we can launch here the Google Assistant just by pressing hold the power button. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.